Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to take a look at Sapiens. It is a character builder website. It is absolutely free and you can customize it according to how you like it to be. So over here we have four different options: walking, running, standing and cycling. We have both in male and female, so which is pretty cool. And we also have three different options right here in colorful and in duotone, which is black and white and a little bit of gray, and we also have outline, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and stick to duotone, and it's really simple and straightforward. You can play around and customize according to how you like it. So let's choose running, for example, and you can remix. As you can see, when you hover over the top, it says remix. So when you click on it, you have all these options. You can just click on the arrow, like over here it changes a new hairstyle and glasses and facial expression as well. And there are multiple different options to choose from, and you can literally mix and match, go back and forth and see what you fancy, and you can select that. So this is nice. It's almost like a sports marathon kind. Yeah, this is nice. Let's see some more options. Yeah, I think this is nice. Okay, so now the entire outfit and everything is nice. So let's go ahead and click on the backdrop. So now you can choose from about 9 backdrops that are here. So if you want a plain backdrop, you can just click on that and you can literally play around. And since she is running, we can go ahead and click on the backdrop. It's by the seaside, I think, and yeah, you can literally by the park. Yeah, this is nice. Let's stick to the park. Okay, so this is how I like it to be. In case you want to see how it looks in outline, you can just click on outline. It takes a second to load. And in case you want it colorful, you can do that as well, which is pretty cool. And yeah, it's really nice. You can mix and match and play around with it. So yeah, so let's go ahead and check how this entire look will look for a male. So I clicked on the male and it is really nice. So let's go ahead and click on duotone as well and outline. Okay, that's nice. So yeah, let's go back to female. So if you want to keep the same background and how the entire look looks, and you just want to change the position, that is walking, we just saw running, and we standing, and this is cycling. So that's really nice. So in case you want to export, you have two options right here in SVG. So I'm going to click on that. You can create an account, which is free, obviously. So I'm going to choose a destination. SVG. Okay, she is cycling, so I'm going to just rename it so that it's easy for me to figure out the thing. So I've saved it here. Okay, it's nice. So that's in SVG. You can do the same for PNG. Okay. So cycling and female. Yes, done. You can do the same for male as well. So let's go ahead and switch up the outfit and the entire thing. So I'm going to click on remix. Okay, let's do work attire now. So let's change it. Okay, let's see how this looks. Okay, that looks like a laptop, an umbrella. Okay, let's give him some formals. Okay, that looks nice. Okay, I think this is nice. Yes. Okay, and let's change the backdrop to an office attire. This looks nice, but we can come back to it. And yes, I think between this and this, let's something else. Yes, this looks nice. Okay, let's see how this entire look looks in the female. Yeah, even she is going for a run, and yeah, let's see how it looks. Yeah, yeah, this looks nice. So let's go ahead and export this to SVG, and this is in running, so I'm going to name it like that, and save. And I'm going to save this as well in PNG. Okay, again, this is running mail. It's quite simple and easy. So this is how you can really customize your images. And in case you want the backdrop to be plain, you can go ahead and click on this, and it will give you just the character. So it's literally that simple and easy. It's really easy to customize, and yeah. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.